kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hop do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka neat.
Undang yalam ke BGP ubaderu MLA ke Pentor Ungkra constituency uba Alexander Elhek hak shotrik Julio Alaja Punrio ula Kyntu ya Sorkar Megalia bukan pelong ya ke jing Bishar ke babnya ya ke jing labat Pyntreikam Shwa panwanra ya ke inline permit lani ya ke Megalia Residence Safety and Security Act daga banjur bakano-gano ka an ke bathamai deben penyahap ya ke jing mentoy jing trai muluk haba kran chikinong to khobor halor ke ngamat uba hek ulo ong ba ke jing perkhat Kaliban long halor ke ke bala bende bat ka pen mentoy lut ya baro
of like MRSSA and also ILP. I request the state of Meghalaya, the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. So whenever we are and want to introduce the ILP or the MRSSA in the state of Meghalaya, we have to see first the doable, which is to be do or which one to be done, do and don't. So the doable part only, it should be beneficial for all the people, not only for the people. We to see the interests of the people of the state of Meghalaya, and also we have to see the safety and the interests of the people who are coming to the state of Meghalaya, particularly the tourists, to see the doable, which will not affect the small populations of Meghalaya, will not be affect the people who are coming to Meghalaya. So this is have to look after all precisely. We have to be very study first before bringing this kind of project to introduce in the state of Meghalaya. We have to study which is important, should be a doable for the interest of the state and also for the national interest.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.